ki khna school ki bapule ha ki slem bapher hakatong kathan jong ka Patharkhmah civil subdivision Ribhoi district kilayo ban ye shimbanta ha kalampong ye lekai sports kabalatip kum ka first inter school athletic meet haja phunril ya kate kalampong ye lekai sports lapanlong da ka office u district sports officer Ribhoi district ha ka jingya snok tilang bat ka office u SDO Patharkhmah civil subdivision Ribhoi district bat ya kate kalampong lapanlong hamadan ye lekai jong ka western Ribhoi ya kate kalampong layo ban please dang ha ka arpun ruter global daw chatania awasti IAS officer ubade USDO ke Patharkhmah civil subdivision balayo ban penkut no nin kasni ka arpun ruter global daw menteri ke sarkar jalla uba sostem sotun ubade ru MLA ke jirang constituency ha ka jingya sakhilang daw ba Bobby L Nongbet u district sport officer nongpo Dr P Hajong video jirang blok kinohikai ki khna school lembat ki nongtre katna sports na kalyang ka office u district sports officer ke lapanlong hadu south pratli ki jingya kop haki kerdan bapher bat ha kan kelempung lawan bani simbenta hadu lais pa arphongut ki nong yela kai kan thei bachengrang na ki khatwei kli ki school ka Patharkhmah civil subdivision ha ki te ki asni ka St Peter secondary school Patharkhmah kala longkum kala du jong ka te kelempung ha ka ba kala la ban khur south li ki trophy na ki te kelempung na kalyang ka office u DSO kala samru ya ki takma shamparo ki nong job
Ini Lisa Mowbray of Lahduh Secondary School with bid number
Her. Teh benar. Coba.
Set position you have recommend penerimaan alang of Lahduh Secondary School JC Mary Safely of St. Peter Secondary.
Good.
Shall be direct to me to my chat. Ya kalau hujan sebahagian partai hantu ya. Yes, come on, team, lead by set number 155. Come on, guys, come on. Make some noise for your participant, for your champion. This is the final of 200-meter relay for the 16th. There we go, 200-meter relay on the 16th final. 200-meter race on the 16th girls final.
Witness such a wonderful sporting events, and today I could feel, I could see at the face of in many faces of the participants, all the sports person, with the enthusiastic support of different schools, supporting their own teams, supporting their own players. It really make us more to invite more and more programs or events like holding the inter-school athletic meet 2026 and then starting the next year 2027. Sports and activities go side by side with studies, and we have our teachers, principals, headmistress joining together with us all here, supporting their own teams, encouraging them. It is the sign to bring more and more participants or sports persons to come forward and participate in any of the events. Namta ki hep kibarit baro kane kane kijing sedang nak kebenta jompi bat kejile kai sports lani pi engage saki no ki activities kanang la bat pen klan ya ka bor perkat ke jompi ya ka jebeng ke jompi bat pinyo e ka met ka pat ka wasaj baklan agenika juk ka bamenta ilai bun ki players ki bawan na ki jaka ki banak kondong na ki snong ki banak kondong hendai ki pau haki rensan la galong haka district level la galong haka state level but international level kumju namar P ki sports person way per way lane ka way per way pidon lala ke jong ka sap ka bau bleul IAP pidon kam hok egni ka sap ka bau bleul IAP khnang ba kane ka sap ka bau bleul IAP lengba ka jing trestom ka jing 3 minute ka jong pi pensanang la ban pentebet susu